The cloud is here, no doubt about it. It's even being mentioned in primetime TV commercials. But forget all that. What we're talking about is the cloud of business and industry. The cloud that is supposed to transform how enterprises operate. We know it's on your mind. Research shows that at least 61% of companies have some type of cloud initiative underway, with 25% moving into this area for the first time right now. But wait, before we go any further, a little Cloud 101. Defined broadly, cloud is a style of computing in which a cache of highly scalable, virtualized IT resources are leveraged to serve as a platform for internet-based software, infrastructure, and/or services. Whew, that's a mouthful. This cloud can be applied in multiple ways depending on the end goals. Infrastructure as a service, applications as a service, process as a service, storage as a service. You probably already know that. Unfortunately, what you may not know is just how strenuous a cloud initiative could be on your data center. Can you say with certainty that your data center right now can handle the new requirements for provisioning, managing, and orchestrating infrastructure resources? Well, that's where Avocent fits in. A little reality check. We are not here to help you design or launch a cloud application. We are here to help you prepare your data center to turn your IT infrastructure from cloud risky to cloud ready. A quick analogy. Would you build an expensive and substantial addition onto your home without first making sure the original foundation, plumbing, and electrical systems could handle it? Not doing so would be a plan for, well, failure. Same thing with cloud. Whether it's private, public, or a hybrid of the two, lack of basic preparation can be disastrous. So how do we propose to make your infrastructure resources scalable and ready for the demands of cloud without compromising business efficiency? For starters, we have 4 important steps designed to identify and correct vulnerabilities in your existing data center. Step 1. You have to know what you have and where it is. Seems basic, but research has shown that most cloud initiatives are being mandated by leadership with little or no idea of what the ramifications are on their legacy systems. Without tight control and management over current assets, all the way down to the individual device on every rack, how can you identify risk areas and then right-size and configure to create an optimized environment for high-density computing? Step 2. You must have far-reaching control over devices in all your locations, no matter how remote. Remote access and management of all rack-level devices is critical to maintaining the fluid nature of cloud compute workloads. Downtime is not an option with the cloud. Point failures must be able to be quickly identified, isolated, and corrected. Step 3. You must be able to manage fluctuating power needs. Cloud's virtualization technology facilitates a dynamic compute environment within a static foundation. Rapid changes in compute load translate into substantial increases in power consumption. That means that you must not only be able to maintain headroom to handle normal peaks in demand, but also the odd spikes from sudden and intense cloud utilization. Again, single points of failure must be identified and eliminated. And finally, step 4. You need to be able to plan for rapid change. Research shows that more than half of the organizations considering adoption of cloud are greatly concerned with it affecting availability and performance. Only when you can fully visualize the effects of change on load, power, and devices can you confidently reconfigure your environment for alterations and additions to your cloud initiatives. Avocent has products and solutions ready to help you achieve these steps, ensuring you have a healthy foundation from which to build your cloud. With intelligent connectivity, capacity control and management of data center devices, power and remote locations, plus the intuitive planning tools you need to visualize the effects of change now and over the long term. A recent commentary in IT Business Edge eloquently states, no matter how fluid, flexible, or dynamic virtual environments in the cloud become, data center management is likely to remain the #1 challenge for IT executives going forward. That means you, with a big bright spotlight shining right on your head. Avocent is ready to help you with that challenge, ready to help you turn your data center from cloud risky to cloud ready. For more information about how Avocent products and solutions can help make your data center cloud ready, just click on the links.